Let's talk about using English for evil. There are millions of online scams, everywhere from Facebook Marketplace. I found some on Fiverr recently, and they're everywhere. I'm sure you have also gotten some scammy emails in your inbox. And there is one huge defining feature about all of these scams: the quality of the English. They tend to make a lot of mistakes, whether it's spelling, grammar, punctuation. There's always something. And that's one of the easiest ways to tell if it's a scam. So we can look at this from two sides. As the receiver, if you have a good knowledge of English, then you'll be able to easily identify if something is a scam. On the other side, if you want to be a successful scammer, bro, you gotta improve your English, because people can clock you pretty quickly with your crap grammar and bad spelling. At the end of the day, most contents on the internet are in English, so it's useful for everyone to have a basic understanding of it so you can stay safe or scammy.